Our customers painstakingly removed the old flooring from a local bowling alley and reinstalled it here in this home. Today we're working on 750 square feet of hard maple. Let me show you around. So let's take a peek into this room. So right here you can see some pretty significant gaps. This could have been caused by the reclaiming process, where a lot of the boards get a little messed up and don't align perfectly anymore. This could have also been caused by the winter, where a lot of these boards shrink up and the gaps between the boards grow a little bit. The majority of this flooring has endured years of wear, but of course you can see here an example of some boards we'll need to replace. For this, we'll take a board out of the closet to get that perfect match. The reason bowling alleys and other commercial buildings tend to use hard maple flooring is because of its durability. And that durability allowed us to go with a refinish on this job instead of an installation like we considered before. Because of maple's durability, a lot of this damage you see here that looks pretty significant actually has a pretty good chance of coming out during the refinishing process. We generally spend a little more time sanding maple over your typical red oak because the scratches are a little more stubborn. If you were to stain this floor, you would want to bring it up to 120 because otherwise you're going to get a bit of splotchiness. In this case, our customers like the natural look of the floor, so we're not going to be staining it.
All right, guys, so we just finished up the project, and as you can see, the damage came right out. There's really no signs of visible staining with the finished product, and that's due to the fact that this is a really dense wood. With maple, you're going to get that. Let's walk around and see how everything else turned out. This room sanded out really nicely. There's no problem areas at all that we noticed, and it looks flawless. Awesome. I always want to just say words. Words. Yeah, of course. And now in this area, somewhere, we patched the floor. See if you can spot it. Bet you can't. There's just one board that had a giant chunk missing. We actually put it back into the closet over here because we were using the original floor. We wanted to source it so that it matched perfectly. And the last bedroom. So this is the only room where there's any visible signs of damage. Looks like there was some water that was left on the floor, maybe from a leak, and there's a bed going over this, so the customer's not worried about it, and they didn't want to have us patch it for that reason. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. Give it a thumbs up. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.